Yeah. Okay, in today's video, I'm gonna start with 3x3 Rubik's Cube while singing pie. Okay? 1 sec. So I got a timer, see? Okay? Okay, so I'm going to start right about now. 3.14159. This is pi followed by 2653589 I'm gonna tell with die. And 1079333. OMG, can you see? 8466643. Now on a 3. 38 32. Now blue. Oh, new 7950 and a 2. 88 41. 75 now 1. 97169 93 751. Halfway done. 058 now don't be late. 209 whistle 1. 74 it's on the 4th and 9 459. 230 we gotta go. 78 we can't wait. 164 wait 164 62 almost to the end. Keep going. 62 we gotta do. Oh wait 9 out of time. Then 6 0 3 4 more. 8 2 5 3 42 11 7 on 6 7. 40 seconds and something milliseconds. Okay? Bye. And okay, make sure you like and subscribe. If you do that, if I get to 500 subscribers, I will show you how I do it. Okay?